The moment of truth. Testing, testing. 1, 2. Can you guys hear me okay? Is it my computer that was the problem? Was it the microphone that was the problem? It's too early to even try. It's too early for me to try, but we got the new microphone. I can smell the Chinese factory on it still. I love a new Chinese factory smell. Let me get my coffee going. We'll get some people, we'll wait for some people to come on in. Yeah, it should be interesting. Hell of a day yesterday. Hell of a day yesterday for the Super Bowl. But today, it's not what you could do for me yesterday. It's what you can do for me today. So we're going to see what's up, man. We're going to see what's up. But let me get my coffee going. Let me get my juices flowing. We'll come back. I'm in a couple little positions here, but we certainly have more to potentially deploy. We'll see what's up. We'll take a look. All right, let me get my coffee going. Thank you for being here, folks. Let's get the coffee going. Coffee's brewing. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Feel a little weird today. Feeling a little weird. How are you feeling? What the fuck? Oh, my phone's on. Folks, we got a new microphone. It's almost perfect. It's almost perfect. The stand is too big, though. Yeah, I have a very high desk, but I kind of like holding this microphone. I wish you guys could see. I feel like I'm on a newscaster. This is like a newscaster microphone stand. It's like 8 inches to 9 inches tall. And my desk is high. I have a big high desk that's bored into my wall. That's stems from my wall, and so I have to slightly extend my neck to get to you people in the microphone. Gold's pumping crazy. Let's take a look. Don't tell me it's at 20. Oh my God, gold's at 29, baby. Let's go. That's fucking amazing. Let's go. I am long on gold, baby. Long on gold. Man, no one's had the macro gold analysis like your boy. If you've been here for years, I've been calling out exactly why and what the fuck was going on with gold. I predicted the future, that one of the top three gold holding trading banks would have to have shit hit the fan in order for it to break its $2,000 chains. And lo and behold, Credit Suisse came and went, got bent. Here we are, chains unleashed, 29 fucking, gold's up 30%. From fucking, right, 30%. Shit, that's up 50%. If it was 2,000 and it's 3,000, gold's up 50%, baby. Absolutely beautiful. Let me get my coffee. Alrighty. Good morning, folks. Is the music too loud? Is it faintly in the background? Oh, boy, how about that Super Bowl? Huh? How about that Super Bowl? Boy, we got backdoored on a couple of them, man. I tell you, we got backdoored on, of course, Mahomes fucking backdoored us on the last play for the 250. We picked the winner. At least we picked the winner. So, and man, how about it's now 10 years in a row that the coin toss winner has lost the game. There's definitely music. I was able to hear it on my phone, and it was loud. You guys are fucking trolling me. I thought the halftime show was great. Everyone apparently was hating on it the one time. It's not a satanic halftime show. Everyone hates on it. Loved it. And I'm not even like a Kendrick Lamar fan, but just that was a man, a little man, you know, a little man who was out there. And yeah, sure, it might have been monotoned and, you know, the same tone, but he went out there and performed. He didn't lip sync. He went out there and performed. There wasn't a bunch of queers fucking showing their ass and crotch everywhere and Satan bullshit. They did an American flag, and he called out Drake for being, called out Drake. I thought it was great. But there was one thing I had a major problem with. No, dude. Not kidding. I'm going to tell you, I know you're kidding right now. I'm going to pull this shit up, and I guarantee I'm going to hear music in the background. Guarantee it. It's definitely in the background. It's just quiet. What were we talking about? So, good for the Eagles. There's a certain someone who he put a humongous bet, 150 G's on the Eagles straight up. And man, not talk about an absolute blowout winner. 150 grand. And man, he ain't, I was like, you know what I'm saying? But he, oh my God, shout out. He knows what I'm talking about. And that's a lot of money. He ain't no really millionaire. I think he may be scratching his first mill. But to be knocking on the door of your first $1 million and to put 150 G's on a game, he felt confident. He's done that like twice now, and he's got them both. His kid sticks to his gut. Stick to your gut, man. If you're in tune with your gut, man, I'm telling you. Change your life. Anyways, truth be told, we could go through charts and shit and take a look, but it's almost like we maybe started the stream too early because last week, man, things were looking grim. And then on that Monday, boom, it just shot up. The Sunday going into Monday. This would be the third week in a row if it did that. We did get a little, we didn't get a dump like we did before. The price came down, it's come back up during survival during the Super Bowl. But I don't really know if charting's really important right now. We're just waiting for the market open and seeing if we crack something. I'm looking at Planetar, and Planetar's pre-market is up. Planetar is up 1.5%. 1%. On the pre-market. Really, I feel like just the structure, this structure just got me feeling like it's got room just to boop, come up a little bit here. Like maybe for like Bitcoin 101,000, 101,000. Yeah, so we're not we got plenty more to deploy, but we don't need to be married to this shit either, you know. What time is it? We got a long, we still got what, 3 hours? 3 hours that we may have started the stream too early. 2 hours. We got 2 hours, right? Yeah, Suey. Yeah, hey man, I've been secretly banging this coin. I've been secretly banging Suey. Dangerous coin to trade, but I've been trading it very well. I was in like a 25 G's profit on a short earlier in the day, technically yesterday now, during the Super Bowl. Then ended up closing out for like 13 G's. Same with ETH. I was in an ETH short and a Sui short. I pulled like 25 out of that, something like that. Withdrew a nice chunk of change. Sent it to the piggy bank sometime last week. I think on like Thursday or Friday. Come on, baby. Hey, that's what we like to see. We like to see this. We like to see this. At some point, folks, we're gonna have to pull the trigger one way or the other. I gotta stick with my guns. Also, fuck, I need to set up, get myself set up here because I can't run it on this browser because my Google Chrome browser is tarnished. But the Antarctic exchange is now open for everyone. No more whitelist. You can participate in the liquidity pool. Everything is tracked on the blockchain. This is going to be the most transparent, exchange out there where you can hit them perps. And you're able to be a market maker. And there are technically risks involved with being a market maker. You can lose money. But just like anything. So yeah, I need to throw some money into the to this. I've been meaning to do that. But we'll get some, we'll load it up and get some trades. You'll be seeing me trading on Antarctic from now on as well. So this one's been a long time coming. When the token comes out, ooh. But the liquidity pool being totally, it's of the people, by the people, for the people. And you get 100%. It's 100% of the liquidity pool profits are up for grabs. It's whatever your share is what you got. Actually, I think it's 90% because 10% of the liquidity pool profits are going to go to the token holders. So, yeah. So we got to set this up. I'm gonna have to set this up on this browser. up, Otter Boy? Hex started a parabolic run. Come on, bro. There's not even one to. Here, let me actually go to the wet. Let me go to. Oh, here you go. It's up 52%. All right. Well, y'all been waiting for so damn long. I was in this for so long too. You know, hopefully, I hope it works out for you folks. Hope it works out for you folks. I have to I got this microphone, right? The microphone is on the same level as my head. And so it's in front of my face. And so I'm seeing doubles. I'm seeing double microphones and half the screens, half my monitors. This is going to be a problem. I'm going to have to get a different microphone, but I needed one that worked. Man, I didn't put this on my playlist. YouTube doesn't be listening, man. I put repeat YouTube. And it just skips on to its own thing. But yeah, so right now here, folks, we're in just a little bit. We got 2 hours left. I don't know what I'm going to do to sit here and entertain you. I should have started this a little bit later. What do you mean breakout or Antarctic? They're two different things. One's a prop. Breakout's a prop firm. Both. The answer is both. When the IRS is abolished, I'm not going to lie. The whole IRS abolishing thing. Remember the lady who was like, Obama's going to pay my mortgage? Obama's going to pay for my rent, my mortgage. Remember that lady? Obama's going to pay my house. Obama's going to pay my mortgage. Well, Trump's got us going, Trump's going to pay my taxes. Trump's going to pay our taxes. I'll believe it when I see it. Oh, wouldn't that be the day? Wouldn't that be the day? Yeah, please. Yeah, I mean, that's what the people want. It's the government's, our government's supposed to reflect what our constituents want, man. Get that shit out of here. Man, we're not even supposed to be talking about it. Thou who cannot be named. Thou who shall not be named. It's going to be funny watching, you know, guess you could say the left media going, oh, we need to pay our taxes, though. Well, we'll go to the next subject. Next subject. Yeah, let's go to last week and the week before. What days? Let's take a look. See here. What days were that? Was it here? Okay, let's see here. Oh, let's mark it here. That's right. So last week, geez, even on Saturday, but we had the Saturday really and then into the Sunday dump. Saturday and the Sunday dump, and then boom, Monday pump. And the week before that, boom, 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 triple candle down, bam, came on up. This time it's a little different. We really haven't seen. I mean, the price came down a little bit on Sunday, and then it came back up. You know, so it's not really fractaling. The snake is slithering. You know, maybe I'm thinking maybe today it's after the Super Bowl. Today might be weird, and then we continue with the plan for Tuesday and Wednesday. The plan is to trade on Tuesday and Wednesdays. Those are the two main days, or the safest days. They have the most data. And once in a while, if it looks right, we'll roll some dice on the Monday or Sunday going into Monday open. But this is looking a little different. It's looking a lot different, obviously, than the last two. It's a lot different. Similar in that, the charts were looking ugly. They were looking ugly the last 2 weeks, Sunday going into Monday. Boom, as soon as market open, boom. Looking at Planetar, though, Planetar has been front running. Front running crypto. I'm thinking, folks. I'm thinking. that was a nasty wick, but man, it's got this curvature thing going. I mean, I feel like this pattern, I feel like I can just see it. I can just see it pumping. I feel like I can just see just looking at the candle. Let me go to Bitcoin. What do you know? Money flow's coming down. How much time do we have? Yeah, okay. We gotta just last through 2 hours. 2 hours. 2 hours. Yeah, I don't know if I can do it. We're not talking high confidence right now. We're talking low confidence. This is gambling. We're gambling right now. We're gambling. It's not what we're supposed to do. Not what we're supposed to do. We do have a scrunch up of momentum here. We do have a consolidated scrunch up. Again, these RSIs look weird. It's the weekend, you know, this is weekend stuff kind of here. Tough decisions. But I think I'm leaning towards I'm thinking there's just no point. There's no point even looking at charts right now for the Monday. There's no point in even looking at the damn charts. What happened? Let's take a look at the old heat map. Gapped right now. It's gapped to the downside. It's definitely more solid. There's definitely some more liquidity to the upside. There is liquidity to the upside. There is some down here. I mean, this would be, you know, the ideal entry, obviously on the lower side, but you know, is what it is. Boy, I tell you, if I was trading to pay rent, I would not be in these positions. Let me make that clear. You know, this is content gambling right now. Small trades. These can tell we want to keep our losses small, wins small, and then get lucky on the big wins. But just to kind of, you know, tell you where I'm at. Just telling you where I'm at. I don't think I can sit here. I don't. It's man. We were partying yesterday. I'm sure you can hear it. It's kind of. I'm just not in the right. I just don't think this is it. This ain't it. I would need green candles to bring it out of me. But we got the new microphone working. We have a microphone working. Unless something changes over the next couple hours, like if the price came down, if the price came down again for, ETH is 26 to in the 25s, high 25s, I might feel better about that at long and that. Where were we when the weekend started? What day is it today? The 9th. Where did we? All right, sorry there. Yeah, I'm thinking we hit the red button. I'm thinking we hit the red button. I don't know. To be honest, the main thing holding me back is waiting 2 hours. Waiting 2 hours. It's definitely a trash. Yeah, this is trash. But listen, we're here. We're here. We got the new microphone. It was looking super trash for the last 2 weeks. And we plowed out the Monday gate. We were hoping that it was going to have a three-peat this weekend. For going into Monday, doesn't look like it's going to be. Fractally speaking. Is there any thoughts here? Let's see here. Let's put it to a poll. We're gonna see. Let's take a look at some poll results. The question. I don't even need to ask a question. I tell you, I don't even need to ask. I don't even need to ask. You know what I'm gonna do? Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stick to the plan, which is trading on Tuesday and Wednesday. I mean, we're always open. We're always, I'm always open. You know what I'm saying? If there's something that, something could pop up out of nowhere. Cup and handle. Where? I got a cup and handle for you. Where is this cup and handle you speak of? Yeah, listen, like I said, I can see the candles doing when they doing this, having a little prance, little fucking The little one right there. Yeah. I'm taking my ass back to bed. I can't do this right now. I'm going back to bed. And I don't know. Maybe I'll set some little shitter stops on this. It's just in case something catches wind. But I wouldn't be in these trades. Just I do not follow me on these trades. This is just we're just fucking throwing some shit in the wind, seeing if a Monday market open would do something. And it might, but right now there's nothing to chart. There's nothing to read. There's nothing to read until Monday starts, and that's when the data starts. And I mean, I'm sure you can hear, man. I ain't got it in me right now. It's Super Bowl. We had a great time yesterday. I had a great time yesterday. And good night.